Okay, hello again. Okay, what we're doing in this video is just reminding you or showing you how to multiply mixed numbers. Now, when we added and subtracted, I kept saying do not convert these to improper fractions. It's easier to multiply them it's easier to add and subtract them as mixed numbers. When you're multiplying, the opposite is true. These are very, very difficult to multiply accurately and correctly as mixed numbers. So really the only way you can multiply mixed numbers is convert them to improper fractions. Multiply those out, maybe simplifying first, and then converting back to a mixed number. So we'll have a go at the first one and just show you how it all works. Okay, so the first step in multiplying mixed numbers is to convert them to improper fractions. So 4 times 3, we multiply those, and we add there. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1, that's 13 over 3. Okay, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9, all over 5. Well, I didn't choose very nice numbers here, so we'll just have to do a bit of simplifying first, I think. Now, I can't very easily multiply 13 times 9 in my head, so I prefer to simplify now rather than multiply and have to simplify later. So I'm looking at the two numbers in the numerator, 13 and 9. I'm looking at the two numbers in the denominator, 3 and 5. Are there any numbers that we can divide? Well, it turns out that 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times. So that's going to make life a fair bit easier. Everything else there's a prime number, so I don't think we're going to have any more success with simplifying. So let's go ahead and now multiply it. Okay, 13 times 3, that one I do know. That's 39. Over 1 times 5 is 5. And then finally, let's write that back as a mixed number. 5 goes into 48 times, so it has to be 7. 5 sevens are 35, with 4 left over. Final answer, 7 4/5. So once again, when you're multiplying mixed numbers, you can't multiply them as mixed numbers. You'd have to multiply each of these parts by each of those parts and then add them together. It would be horrible to have to do. So convert them to improper fractions. Simplify if you can. It makes it easier to do that now. Multiply, and then convert back to a mixed number. Okay, stop the video and have a go at the second one on your own, and then restart once you're ready to check your answer. Okay, let's see how you went. So, step 1, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15 over 4, times 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, so that's 8 over 3. Now once again, 15 times 8, that's getting a little bit large, so let's try to simplify if we can. So I got a 15 and an 8 in my numerators, 4 and 3 in my denominators. Let's see, I can go 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 15 5 times, and looking at these two, 4 divide 4 is 1, 8 divide 4 is 2, so we can simplify a fair bit. Okay, what's left? 5 times 2 is 10, 1 times 1 is 1, and 10 over 1, obviously anything divided by 1 is just itself, so final answer is just 10. Okay, so once again, when you're multiplying mixed numbers, step 1, convert to an improper fraction. Step 2, simplify as much as you can by dividing common factors out of the numerators and denominators. Step 3, multiply. Step 4, convert to a mixed number, or in this case, just a whole number.